try to play all different types of instruments. I try to showcase the gumot and taflis and djembe and cajon and whatever they could grab it. But it's up to the individual to carry it forward, basically. Yeah, आमचे गोंयकाराचे रोगता ना आनी तें. So anyway, it was a lovely time we had together in this lovely place, and I want to see some more people and more youngsters to come and.
This was the first workshop.
This was one of the first workshops in the sense I had few earlier ones. Yeah, but otherwise I'd been doing workshops in Bombay and elsewhere, whatever. So it was great, lovely. Response was fantastic. Yeah, my workshop we had good fun. It was well organized and lovely people, everyone grooving. I had a good time with the sunset at the back, and it was fantastic. Like it was very much in touch with Goa, the nature of Goa. Hope to see you all again. I mean, some more people have to come.